a coach, it can feel extremely overwhelming to work with someone one-on-one. It feels like you're trying to sell yourself or prove yourself. And because of that, I wanted to take time today to do a tapping session to help you feel super high vibes so that you know when you're working with your potential clients or your current clients that you are worthy and deserving and can make an impact. So let's dive in and get started. First, I want you to get in touch with your feeling on a scale of 0 to 10. 10 being like, I don't feel worthy. I'm not sure that I should be doing this. All these limiting beliefs are stirring. Or 0 being like, you know what? I'm super bomb. Like, I'm a great coach. I'm an impactful coach. I'm a transformational coach. And I totally got this. If you're really anything above a 2 or a 3, I'm going to ask you to stay with me and let's tap it out. I want you to get in touch with the emotion that you feel as it relates to working with clients. I want you to take 3 deep breaths. In and out, in and out, in and out. Awesome. Now let's dive in and get started. Even though I feel a little fear about working with clients, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I find myself trying to prove that I can actually make an impact, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though these limiting beliefs are beginning to stir, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I feel anxiety, like, will I be able to say the right things? Will I know what to say? I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I find myself overthinking it and just wanting to make it right, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I'm struggling with perfectionism, as in being the perfect coach, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I feel a little bit of overwhelm about all the steps that I need to take, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I find myself overthinking all of the things that could potentially happen in this session, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I wonder if my ideal client will see me as valuable, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. All right, I want you to take a deep breath. I want you to breathe in and I want you to breathe out. And then I want you to keep getting in touch with that emotion. We're going to keep tapping it out, all right? Let's switch hands. Even though I feel scared about this call, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I wonder if I'll know the right things to say, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I feel imposter syndrome stirring, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I wonder if I can actually follow through with what I promised, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I wonder if I can create transformation as a coach, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I fear failing, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I fear that I won't be all of what they want, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I wonder if I'm worthy of this calling, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I wonder if this call will be successful. I deeply and completely love and accept myself. All right, let's get in touch with how you're feeling. If you are still at one of the higher numbers, anything above a 3, I'm going to ask that you rewind me and continue to tap out those negative emotions, those limiting beliefs, and all the things that are coming up for you. If you're anything under a 3, then we're going to go forward and we're going to start tapping in those positive suggestions so that you can feel super upbeat, super high vibe, knowing that you are an amazing coach, and that way you can take on this call and really make it impactful. So let's dive in and keep going. I am worthy. I am deserving of amazing clients. I call in clients that see my value. I know my value. I operate in my zone of genius. I know what I have to offer this client is amazing. I know that what I have to offer this client is transformational. I know that I am creating changes for my clients. I know that what I promise, I can follow through with. I'm excited for my upcoming call because it's going to be so amazing to support my client. I call in the clients that are ready to make change. I facilitate change by getting in the trenches with my clients. I'm excited for what it is that I have to offer, and I know that what I have to offer is absolutely amazing. This upcoming call is something that I'm truly looking forward to because I know that I have a ton to share. I know that I can create transformation and the change that my clients desire and deserve. I know that I'm an amazing coach and I'm called to this service for a purpose and on purpose. All right. So I don't know about you, but I feel super pumped up, super high vibe, super excited, and ready to take on my next client call. How about you? I'm so excited that you joined me today. Continue to use this video, continue to reference this video anytime you have a discovery call or an actual client call, because it's going to get you in the right energetic state to be able to take care of your client in the way that you are called to serve. So let's make it an amazing day, guys.